We are at the shop, the auto shop, where you can get your car cleaned inside and out for 180 baht, which is a good price, I think, to get car cleaned for that small price. They're cleaning inside and out. 180 baht. Who can beat that? That's hardly 40 kroner. That's the kind of service level I would like in Denmark. But dream on, you'll never get that in Denmark. Nobody wants to give that kind of service for 40 kroner. I don't think so. Clean inside and out, 30, 35 kroner. But auto shop work, also very cheap. There's a lot of good things about Thailand. It's okay, Mai. Okay, Mai. Filming. Filming. คนไทยทำงานคนไทยทำงานได้ย่าพูดแล้วทำงานได้ทำงานดีทำดี